Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So this YouTube channel is especially for those students who would like to follow English lectures relating to law subjects. So basically today we are discussing regarding what is the pass percentage of All India Bar Examination 20. So we have seen that recently All India Bar Examination 20 has been, the process has been completed and even the results have been announced. So in that process we can see that the official website of All India Bar Examination, it has released a notification regarding the statistics, like how many have appeared for the examination, how many got qualified, and the next tentative schedule also they have announced. So let us understand that. See, if we check the allindiabarexamination.com, we can see here the press release dated 7/1/2026. So if we download this, we can see that there is an official press release by Bar Council of India, where we can see different statistics regarding how many candidates appeared, how many got qualified, and according to the classification regarding the Bar Council, how many got qualified, how many appeared, regarding all those statistics we can see. So let us just analyze them, like, because for the upcoming examination we need to know the overall structure of the examination, like how many will appear in the examination, how many will qualify, what is the pass percentage, and what kind of questions are being asked. In the previous examinations, how many questions were withdrawn, or if any grace marks were given. So all these things we need to know before we start preparation for any kind of examination. So as the Bar Council of India has officially, it has declared certain results and statistics, it is better to understand them before we begin our preparation for the next upcoming All India Bar Examination 2021. So as we can see, how many students appeared. Before that, let us understand, see, totally there are 100 questions. Out of that, if we secure 45 marks, out of 100 questions, if we secure 45 marks for general category students, then that is a passing marks. Or for SC, ST or PWD, that is persons with disability candidates, if they secure 40 marks, that is considered to be the passing marks for that category students. But this time what happened was, 5 questions were withdrawn. Okay, 5 questions were withdrawn out of 100 questions. So the total marks calculated would be 95 marks, and out of 95 marks, what is the 45%? That marks would be considered for passing marks. So 45% of 95 marks would be 43, right? And 40% of 95 marks would be 38. This is what we can see. So if any candidate who secures 43, if he is of general category, then that is the passing marks for them, and for SC, ST and PW students, 38 is the passing marks for them. So overall pass percentage for this year is 69.21%. So this is almost like 3/4. If we can see, it is 70%, 5% less to 3/4 of the candidates appeared for the examination, if we roughly calculate. Okay. So considering this is actually easy, because about 3/4 students have cleared. Even in SSLC board examinations or any kind of board examination, passing marks would be like 50% and all, and even kind of professional exams, in those exams passing marks would be only 10%, 5 to 10%. So compared to that, this is a very good pass percentage. Okay, so you can be assured that All India Bar Examination would be easy, because it is an open book examination system, and provided if you learn properly, if you understand how to read Bare Act properly, then there is no hindrance in getting the passing marks, right. So let us also understand how many appeared for this examination, how many aspirants appeared. So totally for All India Bar Examination 2020, All India Bar Examination 20. So it means it is the 20th examination conducted for All India Bar Examination. Totally around 2,51,968 students appeared for this examination. Okay, and out of that, about 1,74,386 students cleared. So you can see the amount, the huge number of aspirants appearing for this examination. But a fortunate thing is that here we do not have any cutoff or any like a top 10, top 50, we do not have that. Whoever secures passing marks, everyone is eligible for getting enrollment certificate or to practice, right. So The fortunate thing is that no such cutoff is there. Everyone will be passed if they secure that much amount of marks. Okay. So, let us understand how many appear from which all bar associations. Okay, because every students will be enrolled under one or the other state bar councils. So, we can see several bar councils. So, according to that they have classified here. See, the highest number what we can see is from Uttar Pradesh, because Uttar Pradesh we can see there is a huge population also. So, that is why about around 32,000 students have appeared for All India Bar Examination. Then around like Maharashtra and Goa, Delhi, Gujarat 18,000, 13,000. Okay. And we can see several other states like Punjab and Haryana, Rajasthan. So, whichever states has more population, naturally there will be more number of appearance, more number of aspirants who are appearing for All India Bar Examination. Likewise, we can see the statistics. So, even in Karnataka we can see around 9,600 students. South Indian states, Kerala 3,649, or if it is Tamil Nadu and Puducherry 8,385. Telangana around 2,841, or Andhra Pradesh around 5,410. So, these are all South Indian states what we can see. In that Karnataka is having higher number of aspirants, about 9,600 aspirants. Okay. So, this is the general summary of enrollment wise summary. Just for information we need to know. Even if you appear for a judiciary examination also, you must know, you must be knowing how many aspirants are there in my state, or how many students are there appearing for the exam where I am appearing. That should be the basic information which you ought to know. And also Bar Council has announced the tentative schedule for the next All India Bar Examination. So, that date would be 7th June 2026. It is 7th June 2026. So, we have around 5 months for the preparation of All India Bar Examination, the next bar examination. So, those who are not qualified, see around 77,000 students have not qualified for the examination. Even for them, and the fresh candidates who would be appearing, who would become eligible for writing All India Bar Examination, even for them this is the right time to start. You have around 4 to 5 months. So, daily read bare acts. So, I will be giving a very detailed video lecture regarding how to read bare acts and how you have to start preparation. That would be in another video. But still if you want to understand the law properly and write the examination, please start your preparation now. We can also see that we also have Abhijna Education app. Abhijna Education app, you can find it in Google Play Store. There you can find a new batch which is commencing from 19th January, that is for English, only English batch. We also have Kannada batch also, because basically we are from Karnataka. So, Karnataka students, you can follow our Abhijna Law Series YouTube channel for Kannada lectures, and for English YouTube, for English students you can follow this YouTube channel, that is Abhijna Legal Maps. And for both the students we have this common platform Abhijna Education. You can also browse the website also, there you can find the Abhijna Education app. There you can find different courses and all. Separately English courses are also available. English batch is going to commence from 19th January. So, if you are interested, do get enrolled into that batch. That would be a structured batch. So, that is why I am announcing this today, and in a very detailed video I would be announcing, like I would be giving a note on like how you have to start preparation in my upcoming video. So, if you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe, because this is a YouTube channel specially for those students who want to follow the law lectures in English, because you may not be well versed in the regional languages or Hindi or Kannada or any other regional languages. If you are not able to follow properly, and if you are not getting sufficient resource, then here we have English YouTube channel, so that every Indian student who can access this internet, then they can get the source, get the proper information regarding law subjects. Okay. So, once again I am signing off. So, thank you all of you, take care and bye bye. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Namaste.